In today's video, we will see how to reset the Shark robot vacuum, Wi-Fi mapping and error code fix guide. Method 1. Reset Wi-Fi connection. Step 1. Place the reboot on the dock. Then ensure the reboot has sufficient battery power and is connected to its charging dock. Then enter the Wi-Fi setup mode. Press and hold the clean and dock button together until the Wi-Fi indicator begin blinking or the robot announce it is ready to connect. Step 3. Launch the Shark Clean app. So launch the Shark Clean app on your phone and select the option to add or reconnect the reboot. The fix 4. Connect to a 2.4 GHz network. So follow the on-screen instructions and connect to the robot to your home 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as most Shark robots do not support 5 GHz network. Method 2. You can soft reset the reboot. So the step 1. Power off the robot. Turn the robot over and locate the power switch and turn it off. Then wait briefly. Leave the robot powered off for about 10 seconds. Then power it back on and turn the power switch back on and place the robot on its charging dock. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.